Hello smart investors, welcome again. This is Precious Obong. I give properties, bringing you the best in real estate. Currently, I am at a talking roundabout. So this road leads us on the left to Ijebu, while on the right to Epe-Ikorodu. You can see it's a busy environment. Today is their market day. So we are going down to Lakeside Inter-City. We'll be going through the left. Yeah, so come along, let's go down to Lakeside Inter-City. Go check out the product that we are launching today.
I know you're wondering where this beautiful location is. Well, Taiwo Limited just launched a new property. Welcome to Lakeside Inter-City.
It's a pleasure to have everyone here in Ilado town. Ilado is a neighboring community to Epe, and just like we came from the Ikorodu axis, this road leads straight to Ikorodu and lead you straight back to Ijebu, connect you to Shagam, connect you to Biniore Express Road, connect you back to Ibadan. And it connects you to Ibeji-Lekki and Lekki-Epe Expressway. Beside us is a water body, and at the residential side you have a very big water body that forms a lake. And that's why we looked for a name to call this unique place, and we say it is Lakeside Inter-City.
Lakeside Inter-City is strategically positioned along the Epe-Ikorodu Road, offering seamless access to some of the most vital hubs in Lagos and beyond. This estate is set to become a thriving hub of residential and commercial activities. As real estate demand intensifies, your land will be perfectly situated for future homes and businesses, offering endless opportunities for smart investors. Not ready to build yet? No problem. You can lease your land for agricultural activities, capitalizing on the increasing demand for food. This provides you with an opportunity to earn rental income on your land while your property value continues to rise. Whether you're looking for steady income, future growth, or a peaceful community, Lakeside Inter-City offers it all. Don't miss your chance to own units of this rapidly growing region.
Hi smart investors, how you doing today? This is Precious. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Like and share my videos. Yeah, so this is me again, bringing you an affordable luxury that combines nature, agriculture and luxury. Welcome to Lakeside City. Yeah, so this is me touring Lakeside City residential property. Yes, this is the residential area, and this residential area promises to give you 2 years rental income. On this vast acre of land, we have plantains planted already on this farm. We also have cassava, so we'll be leaving them for like 2 years, and upon you subscribing you would earn rental income. Is that not juicy? This is amazing. And also you'll be enjoying the features when the residential aspect is fully set up, the fencing, security, the lakeside sit out for you, your friends, your family, and so much more. This estate is amazing. So we also have landmarks like the Lagos State Food and Logistics Hub. We have the Catholic Church is also here, and some other notable infrastructures. From here to the proposed international airport is like 40 minutes drive. We have the free trade zone and all that, the Ilado City, Epe Resort and Spa, and so many other notable landmarks. We have the Petrotex company as well here. So let me turn my camera around and show you what we have here, especially for the 2 years rental income. That's catchy. You don't just buy land, your land appreciates. You also have 2 years to earn from it if you will be keen in now. So let's go to what we have in here, and I will be right back with further updates. Don't touch that.
And for those who I want to punish today, right, you drag it into the boundary. So can you see that coconut far over there?
No, sir.
That one is far over there. Yes. The boundary is still after it. So how many of us are ready to play?
I'm okay like this.
So the beautiful thing with this place is that we acquired with lots of plantain on it. On this land, you can count over 1 million pounds of plantain.
Wow.
So cutting it down does not make any sense.
Yeah.
The customers can earn from it. The last time I was here, I carried some bunches of plantain. There's something they call yes, you are free. But if you are apprehended, you pay. So we have, the land is crazily fertile, very fertile land, and we don't need to clear the food away and then we'll go back to Lagos and say we need power. Without saying it's the president that is causing our problem. So we maintain the land with the plantain, with the cassava intercropping, and then our customers can earn rental income on their land. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
That's why we promise you the rental income, because there's something here already for us to earn from. You can take a walk, you can snap with plantain. If you see monkey, you can snap with them. So thank you. Welcome to Lakeside Residential.
Thank you.
A lot of plantain. So don't just come here, walk into the
You can cut plantain and go, right?
Some people wait there already. You are cut land. What is the one mean to say?
So we have a very fertile ground here. So, and going down, we have planting plantation planted here. There's cassava here. So let's start from this farm. Before we start, turning it around, so you can see just a walk down from the main road. Most people will not like to live close to the road.
are all in London. Please let them see their land. This video. Should be snap. Let them see this. And then let them see the rental income the plantain is on their land. You can see the plantain massively on your land to the back.
This is one of the locations.
This is how we do it with the rental income. And we believe that this is going to be one of those portfolios that the customers can add to their real estate and grow their income through real estate. Because you're quite asking, right? So it is registered already on asset prices. So we have to register and sell it to the research. 2 years rental income is only on the residential. We cannot farm in this room. Because we are not deciding the greenhouse here, and your customers who are interested in doing such. In fact, our Koreans and other agro harvests from Epe, we're going to have a warehouse here for using storage. So this place will be busy. So if your clients are interested in siting up some commercial, you can do that. But for the residential things, we are going to do rental for 2 years less than 2 years. We may extend the development for years. Any other question? Instant allocation, just like we are allocating. You know, in asset price, we always do instant allocation. That's why we do our allocation every month. So for today, some of our customers who have picked the project, we're going to be allocating them. Especially the residential. So we have 51 commercial 51 for the phase 1. Then the phase 2 extends to 200.
Investors, I'm back again. Hope you enjoyed the video. On this video, I also showed you, the talk with the MD on this property. So this is Lakeside Inter-City, the best on this axis. So investors, how do you come in? With an initial deposit of 500,000, you subscribe to the 500 square meter plot of land selling for 2.5 million naira. Promo price. So if you are calling me now, you'll be enjoying that benefit. So investors, what are you waiting for? The title on this property is Registered Survey C of O in view. So investors, this is a buy and build property. Do not sleep on this property. Call the numbers today. Let's get you started on one or more units. See you in my next video. Bye bye.